Hi, I'm Dr. Cunningham, chiropractic physician, here with the Lady Lake Chamber of Commerce to provide you with a consumer health tip. Today's tip is going to be on lower back safety. I'm sure many of you are aware that lower back is one of the most common reasons why people go to see their physician. It accounts for billions of dollars in healthcare costs and lost labor costs. So the first thing that you want to know to protect your back is that whenever you're lifting something heavy from the floor, it's best to always have a squared off stance. Use your knees to pick up the object, so we're going to bend down. Get a good grip on the object. You never want to use open hands or palm contact to contact a heavy object, because there's a chance that the object will slip and then you'll end up with a knee or a foot injury. So the best thing you want to do is get a good grip. When you're bringing the object up, you want to make sure that you bring it as close to your core as possible. Once you have it close to your core, you can transport the object to wherever you need to. And the best thing when you're placing an object down is to make sure that you approach the place where you want to position the object, place it, and then walk away. You never want to twist your body to place something on a counter, because that twisting motion with something heavy is what sends you to my office. Okay? So now, if you have to put a heavy object back on the floor in another position, then you want to just reverse the steps that we've just done. So you want to make sure the object is close to the core, use your knees to get down to the floor, and place the object down. Okay? Another easy tip that you can use when you want to save your knees, or if you had a knee injury or something to that effect on that particular day, is to use a secure object to hold on to. So you want to hold on to a desk or something that will support your weight and will not fall over when you put pressure on it. So use that object to support your weight. You can lean down. If let's say you've dropped a pen, you dropped a pen or something on the floor, hold on to the heavy object, extend one leg, reach down and pick up the object that you want to get, paper, pencil, something of that effect, something that's within the ounces range that's not really heavy. That way you can protect your knees and also protect your back. This tip was brought to you by Dr. Cunningham and the Lady Lake Chamber of Commerce.